Alright guys, so we finally got access to our rooms. Sherry's opening the cards and I'll spin her around. There she is. Here we go. I gotta pick up my drink in my other bag.
We're at the, well,
very front of the ship.
Yeah, 116.
We are in cabin 116, 8, deck 8. 116. Right. Oh wow. Oh, I like this.
Already?
Yeah. I like this. All right. Let me.
Nice.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Smells really good in here.
Yeah, it does. There's the bed.
Where's my bag? I'm supposed to have a bag of.
It might be hanging up in the closet.
Oh, well, I wouldn't think so.
Or what? The Trulies thing?
Yes, I ordered that. Nothing, huh?
But ice.
Let me. Okay.
Oh look, what is this? Your ticket to adventure.
Okay.
Huh.
See what we got.
All right, hold on. Okay.
Slides.
There we go. All right, so we'll close this.
I have a little safe.
Got the little safety. All right.
Space there. There's the closet.
That is so cool. I like the sliding doors though.
Yes.
I think the other one just had the open doors, wasn't it, on the Mariner?
Maybe.
Got plenty of hangers.
You can hang double there. Yep. But I have some long stuff.
Or is this the one that can?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
I need some more space.
Oh, no.
This is a longer extra. Okay.
Then we got drawer. Lots of drawers. Hey, here we go. Okay.
Fridge thing?
This is the fridge, yeah. Right there. Well, right there.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's got ice in it. Yeah, it's got a bunch of ice in it. Yeah.
Alright, and...
Of course, we got the TV. Says hello.
Alright.
Did you see that?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Okay.
Look, there's the shower. Wow, that's a pretty clean door.
It's not one of the...
It's not one of the rolly rounds.
Lock myself in.
Ha!
Okay.
Alright guys, now it's time to party. She's locked in. Let's go!
Alright.
Look, you get double vision of her. She's there and there at the same time. Look, twinsies.
Lucky you.
Oh yeah, lucky me.
Gotta find out where my...
Hey look, they got USBs.
My little cooler with
USB-Cs. Look, they got extra USB-Cs. Or USBs.
Oh, USBs?
Yeah, it's USBs. So if you have USB, guys, there's 2 there. And then you got 1, 2, 3 plugs right there.
We have a plug by
Yep.
the bed.
And we have a plug by the bed on your side.
Okay. Underneath here. Yeah. My light's under there.
That's cool. And look, there she is again. Come on, you gotta talk to me.
Okay, I gotta find out where my
All right, guys.
bag I ordered is.
So I'm gonna look for the stuff. Oh, I gotta look on my app to see where the part is, so I can order extra pillows and the mattress topper, towels, everything. So I thank y'all for being here for the room tour. And next we're gonna kind of get everything settled in for a minute, and then we'll get back at it. We'll see y'all in the next one.